Let's review how to check the status of the various print queues. Let's log into our server. First, let's talk about the universe print spooler. This is the first spooler through which all jobs pass, so let's check that first. You can view a single queue using the USA command, -P for print, and then the queue name. I can see here that there's no entries, the queue is on, printer is on, form is blank. This is normal print status. If either one of these say off, then you know something is up with the queue. It's either been disabled automatically by an error condition, or it's been disabled manually by someone for troubleshooting purposes. If for some reason you want to view all of the USA print queues, you can either type the USA command. If there's more than one screen, it's going to prompt you to proceed through each, to press enter to scroll through the screens. If you want to skip those prompts, use USA-J to list any jobs. This won't show you the print queue status, but it'll at least show you if there's any jobs hanging out there and for which printer they're being held for. To disable a universe print spooler, type USA -O -P and then the queue name. This is useful for troubleshooting purposes because it'll hold any jobs bound for LP1 in the universe queue to verify that it's making it this far. To check the status, type the USA command again, and you can see printing has been disabled. To reverse that, use the +O -P LP1 command. You can see printing is now back enabled. Those are a few useful universe spooler commands. Now let's talk about Linux queues. To view the status of all your print queues, use the LPC status command. If you've got a large number of queues, this could be very lengthy output. You could pipe it through less or more if you need to be prompted. Or if you're using PuTTY, you can simply scroll back and take a look at any of the various outputs. If you want to view the status of a single queue, simply append LP1 or the LP number onto the end of that command. To view detailed status of each job, use the LPStat command. You can see that this printer is idle, it's been enabled, etc. Now if I wanted to cancel a job, I can simply type the cancel command and then the job number. You'll be able to see the job number from the output of the LPStat command. If I wanted to cancel all of the jobs for a certain print queue, you can use the -A command and then the queue name. That will cancel all of the jobs on LP1. If you'd like to disable a print queue on the Linux side for troubleshooting to make sure that jobs are actually getting through to the queue before being sent on to the printer, use the cups disable command and then the queue name. Now if we go back and check LPC status on LP1, we can now see printing is disabled. So jobs will continue to spool up here until printing is enabled. To enable printing, the cups enable command is used. And you can see printing has been resumed. There are a few additional commands for troubleshooting purposes, as well as links to the entire cups documentation resources on the knowledge base. When you're done, type exit.